Good morning. We're going to take a look at the soybeans market right now. I've identified this for potential longs this week with the commitment to trader strategy. So let's take a look at why I'm looking to long soybeans. And actually, just so you know, this was a setup market last week, which I'm already long soybeans, but there's still a buy signal. So I could look to add to the position here this week. So as always, starting with the commitment to traders commercials index, we see that relative to the last year, we are relatively overly bullish from the commercials. That is a buy signal. Next, I like to look at the overall net positioning and the open interest. So we see that in this down move basically since it started in June, end of May into June, the down move has seen the commercials getting extremely long, and they're overall the most long they've been in the last 3 years. Now, they're not quite as long as they were here back in March, where we saw this little rally, but overall, huge down move, hugely bought up by the commercials. That is bullish. Now, if we go back to my valuation measure, we'll see that right now, soybeans are undervalued relative to gold. No more undervalued versus the treasuries, but the fact that it's undervalued versus gold, that is a bullish setup. We also have the stochastic still oversold, so that is bullish too. The next thing to look at is, I'll show you this. The true seasonal is not supportive of this short idea, this long idea yet. So right here is the true seasonal. We see the true seasonal is actually to go down till the end of September and then go up till February. So that's not supportive, but the fact that I have everything else in line for a long means I'm going to look to further long this market. One thing I'm not happy about is the small speculators. They left their extreme and short positioning here this week. So last week, that was in the signal, is no longer in there. But we do have supplementary indicators giving us buy signal as well. We got the percent R in the buy zone and the stochastic. And if we look at the momentum as well here, we do have divergence in the momentum. We've made a lower low in price while momentum failed to make a lower low. This is not confirmed until we get a weekly close above this high, but it is something that I'm watching, that there could be a major shift in the positioning or in the momentum. And lastly, we do have the Paunch forming. So the Paunch is a significant end of trend indicator. So when we've had a down move and the ADX is going up and it's over 40, that means the Paunch is forming. So the Paunch is basically this is an end of trend indicator. Now, it's not confirmed until this ADX rolls over and turns to the downside, but it is something that I've noticed, and I think that soybeans are pretty nicely primed for an up move here. I mean, they've been getting absolutely destroyed along with all the other grains. So if you have any questions about this commitment to trader strategy, you can feel free to shoot me a message, and I will keep you updated on how this trade progresses. And I wish you guys good luck and good trading.